Using and understanding Instagram Insights to track your performance. Hey there, everyone! Tracking and analyzing your performance is a commonplace activity among marketers across all platforms. Tracking and analyzing is important because it helps you to see what content is driving the most engagement, to discover what's working, to find out what's not, and to determine what needs to be tested and optimized. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to use and understand Instagram Insights, the platform's built-in analytics tool to track your performance. Accessing Instagram Insights. You will be able to access Instagram Insights from the Instagram app once you switch to a professional account. To access Insights, you simply have to open the Instagram app while logged into your account. Tap on the profile icon, then tap on the menu icon. Lastly, tap on the Insights tab on the menu. This will take you to the Insights section, where you'll find detailed analytics and metrics about your content, your activity, and your audience. And we will explain what the information and metrics on this section mean. Activity metrics. Activity metrics are details about the performance of your content, such as the number of people you reach and how much engagement they generated. The following are the activity metrics you'll find in this section. Impressions. Impressions represents the number of times your content has been seen by users. This is a relevant metric because it includes all kinds of views. That means that your total number of impressions includes the number of times users saw your content, read your content, and actually paid attention to your content. But it also includes the number of times that users scrolled past your content without paying attention to it. It also includes the number of times that people visited your profile or that saw your content through a direct message. In other words, you can use this metric to determine how many times people have seen your profile and your content across all possible placements. Reach. Reach is also related to the number of views you get on your content, but this time it relates to unique views. A unique view represents unique views from an individual user. So if one user visited your profile and then searched your content, it counts as a unique view. This is a much more relevant metric because it lets you know the number of users that actually viewed your profile and content. This is a strong signal of intent. Interactions. Interactions represent engagement. This is likes, comments, shares, and saves. This is a much more accurate metric when it comes to determining performance because it lets you know if you're getting a healthy amount of interactions when compared to your impressions and reach. To give you an example, let's imagine that you're getting thousands and thousands of impressions and reach, but only a handful of likes and comments, and no one is saving your posts. This is a signal that you are reaching a good number of people, but that your content isn't engaging enough. On the other hand, if you're generating 1,000 impressions a day and a similar amount of interactions, then it means you're on the right track. Audience metrics. Audience metrics are details about your audience. More specifically, they're pieces of demographic information that will allow you to learn more about the type of people that you attract with your content. Audience metrics you'll find through Insights are as follows. Gender. Audience metrics include the gender range of your audience. It will be represented as a percentage, and it will help you to know which gender finds your content relevant. Age. Audience metrics also includes the age range of your audience. It is represented as a percentage as well, and it helps to know what's the average age of people that find your content enjoyable or useful. Top locations. Insights will also provide you with a breakdown of the locations where your audience lives. It includes cities and countries from top to bottom. By knowing your top locations, you can also uncover other details about your audience, such as dominant language, time zone, and purchasing power. Active hours. Another useful metric is hours and days when your followers are the most active. This information will help you to better plan and schedule when to publish your content for maximum reach and engagement.